Video. Today we're gonna play Minecraft Survival World Episode 2. Okay. Sorry for Anthony because I need to go explore a little bit. Oh, there's water. Plus there's skeleton nearby. I don't have a food. Wait, there's crafting table. Craft a furnace. Place it down. And voila. And let's go back up. Go back to Josh. Okay. Okay. We're not there yet. Okay. Now we're at the surface. I can encounter. And what is? Give me the coordinate. I just killed by a zombie. Wait, Johnny MC Games is inviting me. Okay, fine. Let's get the good. And see you at the next video. Bye.